I'm Paul Sandoval. I'm the Parts and Service Director at Toyota of Santa Fe. A few ways that you can drop off your vehicle. Our early bird service, if you want to drop off your vehicle while we're closed and have it serviced where you don't have to come into the dealership, just pull this down. This is an envelope. You just go ahead and fill out what you need done. Fill out your personal information. Put your keys in there and put it to the slot, and then we'll get it in the morning. We'll go ahead and give you a call, and then we can do all the discussing of what you need done, what it's going to cost, and all that over the phone. This is so if you don't want to come in, you can drop that off. If you do want to come in while we're open, we can also assist you inside the drive. You can bring your vehicle in, you can drive up to our service area, we'll come out, we'll greet you. Obviously we're wearing gloves. We do have the ability to write you up on an iPad similar to this. We can do all the transaction, we can have you sign, and you can be on your way. You have a shuttle service, and if you need to be picked up from your home or your work, we can do that. The vehicle is disinfected after anybody gets in or out of the vehicle, just for your safety. We have free pickup and delivery. Have your car picked up, we'll have it serviced. We can do all the transaction through the phone. You can pay over the phone, and then you don't have to come into the dealership at all if you don't feel safe. Please give us a call at 505-982-1901. Thank you guys, we appreciate your business. I want you to know we want to keep you safe, and we all want to just be here to serve you.